Hey people, this is my package I just got in the mail just today, today in August. And speaking of this package, I ordered this on eBay, and when I ordered this on eBay, the seller said that he was from Jacksonville, but tracking through the package of this belt, it's originally from Pakistan. So I tracked the shipment, and definitely it's fast. It take about 4 or 5 days, but thought this package is from Jacksonville, but it's originally from Pakistan. This AEW belt. So I'm excited to open this and check it out and see what it looks like from my own point of view, because I've seen a lot of people, have reviews on this belt. So see if I can open this, because there's a lot of hoping from overseas. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. Got it open. Leathering inside. Open up. We got our own bag. All right. Let's see what this looks like. There it goes. All right then, and voila, it's the AEW title belt. Say the lettering, this plates, it's okay, everything. Kind of look cheap material, everything, but yeah, let's go check it close-up view. All right, as you can see here, looks okay. Brass plates, and that's my name. I told him to put my name on it, and it not bad. And got the AEW lettering on the letter. It's all right. I like it. It's really cool. Got the AEW plate, tip plate. So definitely looks good. Looks okay. Very nice. Just had to do some clean and stretch it a little bit. But yeah, it's the AEW Championship. All right. Well, thanks for watching for my small unboxing with the case. So this is pretty much what it is.